If you're a person that loves a little bit of mystery in their life, then we have just the thing for you. Everything from a portable grill that no one will notice, a backpack to help you get some rest, and a wonderful wooden globe that you'll bring to any party. So, here are the 10 gadgets with hidden features you wouldn't believe. Let's dive right into it, shall we? Number 10. The Backpack Stool. If you want to see what an ergonomic yet helpful backpack looks like, then the Bago is it. Not only is it capable of storing about 22 liters of volume inside, it is also waterproof and made out of 100% polyester. The backpack is big enough to hold everything you need for a 1 to 2 day trip. Now, if you get tired from hiking, just put the backpack on the ground, widely open the large compartment, and spread the two sides apart. The chair that will open up for you is suitable for supporting one 280-pound man. Plus, the Bago has been specifically designed so that you can be able to take this to any flight as your cabin luggage. Number 9. Chewing Gum Lighter. If you don't want to be like all the other smokers out there with another generic lighter in your pocket, then this one will make you stand out from the crowd. Or it could make a fantastic gift. The choice is yours. What you should know is that this 1-ounce lighter is actually refillable, so you don't have to worry about spending more money whenever your lighter empties out. To refill it, you just hold the refill vertically, then insert the aerosol nozzle inside the refill compartment of the lighter, down at the bottom. Gently but firmly apply some downward pressure. In just 5 seconds time, you'll get a spray back. This will tell you that you need to smash that like button if you haven't done so already. But no, it'll actually tell you that the lighter is full. With this lighter, you will forever say goodbye to those annoying other lighters. Number 8. The Lunchbox Grill. Attention all campers, we just found the perfect mini grill set you can find on the market. It's been made by Gentleman's Hardware, and it's designed to look like a suitcase. This way, you just fold it up and don't worry about grease dripping down your other stuff. The one thing that we would say this grill is missing is a bigger cooking surface, but this'll do you just fine. You just pop it open, set it up on the ground, and pull up the coal compartment. You can then either light your own fire, which you should, or you can fill it up with coal. Then, set the grill bar on top and get cooking. The barbecue suitcase can fit 2 burgers or 4 hot dogs in one go. Number 7. SpeakEasy Briefs. The first thing we do when this COVID-19 pandemic is over is go and watch a movie in the cinema. But you know what? Movies are not interesting if you don't bring a little booze with you. That's where the SpeakEasy Briefs come into play. Not only are they super comfortable and don't jab into your private parts, they also have a 5x7-inch zipper pocket in the front. This one is perfect for hiding a 6-ounce hip flask inside. But that's not all. Whenever you're traveling and carrying some personal documents, you can store it here too. Just make sure you take them out before you check in. Another added bonus is that these briefs will make it look like you're seriously packing. Number 6. Smuggle Mug. Keeping in tune with our previous pick, we present to you the Smuggle Mug. It's a specialized mug that has 2 compartments inside. You fill up the first container with your favorite booze, and then you screw on the top cup. Fill that with a non-alcoholic beverage of your choice, and you're good to go. We've seen people take this to their favorite matches, and it's perfect. Now, if you're wondering how you're going to get the booze into the cup, well, you just drink your water or juice that was in the first cup. Then, you find the little hole on the rim of the glass, and you blow in it. The pressure will make your drink come to the top and fill the screw-on cup. Let the game begin, am I right? Number 5. The Bible Safe. No matter how safe the hotel room might seem, it's no place to be keeping cold, hard cash around. We've heard some horror stories of people losing their monthly salary in some of those places. Now, if you've ever found yourself in the position of looking for a safe place to put your money while you go to the beach, then we have the Bible Safe. From the outside, it looks just like any other Bible. But once you flip that cover, you see that there's a special lock that only you can open with a key. Number 4. The Secret Nickel. While we're on the subject of protecting your privacy, here is another little trinket that will prevent people from going through your stuff. While some of you might say that this looks just like an ordinary coin, and there's nothing special about it, to that we would reply, that's the point! You see, this silver nickel is supposed to look just like any other, but on the inside, it's big enough to house any of your SD cards that holds personal information like passwords or special codes. Maybe you don't want security to go through your stuff. Then just wiggle this coin in your hand. Number 3. The Gaze Pad. We think there's been enough booze-hiding gadgets on this list for now. That's why we're going to shift the focus a little bit, as we wanted to include some gadgets that'll help you with the workflow. The first one is a mouse pad that has a built-in wireless charger. But instead of the standard 1-coil setup, you get 3. This means that you can just throw your phone anywhere you want on the side, and it'll start charging. You won't need to pay attention to getting the angle just right. Plus, as an added bonus, it's fast charging. Now, to power this, you can either use a standard USB or a USB Type-C connection. It has both, so any setup is welcome. Number 2. The Work Desk in Disguize. This is yet another desk that'll make workflow that much easier. The special feature of this coffee table is the fact that it has a lift top. Now, we know that might not sound like much now, but for all of you living in a tight apartment, having a coffee table and a desk all in one is a game changer. Plus, underneath the top, there's a giant drawer where you can store all of your electronics, notebooks, and headphones when you're not using them. Seems like a good deal, right? That's because it is! Number 1. The wooden globe with a hidden compartment. Okay, enough with the work. Let's get back to drinking. We had to include this as our number 1 pick. It looks like it's been taken straight from the Renaissance period and given a modern twist. How did they do that? Well, the company has made a globe that opens up and turns into a portable minibar. The bottom compartment can hold 3 bottles, while the top one, under the globe, can hold 1 bottle and 8 glasses. Just right for any party or gathering. We promise you, this thing will be so stylish and popular, you'll be taking it to your friends' houses for parties. As you watch this video till the end, you will definitely want to take part in our giveaway and win one of the gadgets covered in this video. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment with the exact time every Techie World logo shows up in this video. If you haven't found them, watch the video one more time. We will announce the winner in the subsequent videos, so make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you can check if you've won.